Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to show network icon on taskbar if it is hidden. You can see there is no network icon shown in the taskbar of my computer. Now follow my steps to show network icon in the taskbar. Click right mouse button on the taskbar. Click on Properties. Click on Customize. Here is your network icon, click on it. And then click on Show Icon and Notifications. Click OK. Now, you can see it is showing network icon in the taskbar. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel to watch more videos like this in future.